Imagine waking up tomorrow, looking up at the sky, and the moon is gone. No trace, no explanation, just vanished. What would happen to Earth? To life as we know it? Buckle up, because the answers are more mind-blowing than you think. The moon isn't just a beautiful night light. It plays a crucial role in keeping Earth stable. You see, the moon acts like a giant anchor, stabilizing Earth's tilt. Without it, Earth's axis would wobble wildly, potentially shifting from 23.5 degrees to extremes of 10 or 45 degrees. This could turn seasons into a chaotic mess. Imagine winter one month, then scorching summer the next. Entire ecosystems would be thrown off balance. Crops wouldn't know when to grow, animals wouldn't know when to migrate, and we'd be struggling to adapt to a world in constant flux. Next, let's talk about tides. The moon's gravitational pull creates the tides we see on our beaches. Without the moon, tides would shrink dramatically, leaving only weak, solar-driven tides in their place. Coastal ecosystems that rely on these tidal rhythms, like mangroves, crabs, and sea turtles, would be devastated. Not to mention, humans too would feel the impact. Cities built around tidal systems for fishing, trade, and transport would struggle with lower water levels. But that's not all. The moon has guided the behavior of animals for millions of years. Certain species, from tiny insects to large predators, rely on moonlight to hunt, migrate, and even reproduce. Without it, the animal kingdom would face an existential crisis. For example, sea turtles use the light of the moon to find their way to the ocean after hatching. Without that guiding light, many would be lost to predators or never make it to the water at all. And here's something you probably didn't know. The moon is actually slowing down Earth's rotation. Without its tug, Earth would spin faster and days would get shorter. Over time, we could lose several hours, turning a 24-hour day into a 15 or 20-hour day. That means shorter days, less sleep, and an entirely different rhythm to life. And let's not forget gravity. Without the moon, Earth's gravitational balance would be thrown off. The moon affects the orbits of Earth's satellites, and without it, some satellites could drift off course, leading to communication breakdowns, GPS malfunctions, and chaos in space exploration. And finally, let's talk about something we can't measure scientifically: emotion. For millennia, the moon has been a symbol of romance, mystery, and hope. It's inspired poets, artists, and dreamers. Without it, the night sky would feel a little lonelier, a little emptier. What would it mean for us as humans to lose such an ancient and powerful presence? So, what if the moon disappeared tomorrow? It wouldn't just be a simple loss. It would be catastrophic, for Earth, for nature, and for us. The moon holds our world in balance in ways we never even notice. If you're fascinated by these kinds of mind-blowing scenarios, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to join our journey through the mysteries of the universe. And drop a comment below. What do you think would be the scariest part of losing the moon?